Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this cute fish applique. For making this applique, I have used basic crochet stitches like single crochets, half double crochets, double crochets as well as triple crochet stitches. It's a very quick and easy to do applique. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to crochet this applique are a 3mm crochet hook, 2 different colored 4-ply cotton yarn, googly eyes and scissors. So let's begin. First make a slip knot. And work 13 chains. Now skip the first chain from the hook and going into the next chain, work 1 single crochet. Into the next chain, work 1 half double crochet. Into next 2 chains, work 1 double crochet each. Into the next 4 chains, we'll be working 1 triple crochet each. So here I am done with 4 triple crochets. Now we'll be working the sequence in the reverse way. That is, into next 2 stitches, we'll be working 1 double crochet each. Into the second last chain, work 1 half double crochet. Into the last chain, work 1 single crochet followed by 1 chain and 1 more single crochet into the same space. Now moving in the opposite direction, we will be following the same sequence. So going into the first stitch, work 1 half double crochet. Keep the scale beneath so that it gets hidden. Into the next 2 stitches, work 1 double crochet each. Into the next 4 chains, we'll be working 1 triple crochet each. Into the next 2 chains, work 1 double crochet each. Into the next, work 1 half double crochet followed by 1 single crochet into the last chain. Work 1 slip stitch into the same space and cut the yarn. So here I worked the body part of our fish applique. Now for making the tail as well as the bordering around this body part, I'll be using another color yarn. Now before joining the new color yarn, as you can see, I have put 3 markers into 3 of my stitches. Now I shall explain the stitches which I have marked. Now the first marker I'll be putting into the stitch just before the stitch where I have slip stitched. The second marker I put into the stitch just after working the slip stitch. And the third marker I have put into the chain 1 space which I had created in the previous round. So now join the yarn into the stitch after the marked stitch. and work 1 chain. Now work 1 single crochet into the same space. Now just continue working single crochets till you reach the marker. Now remove the marker and into the space work 1 slip stitch. Now working into the stitches, work 1 single crochet each till you reach the next marker. Now here I have come across the next marker. Remove the marker. Into the marked stitch work 1 single crochet followed by 5 chains. Skip the first 2 chains from the hook and work 1 half double crochet into the third chain. One more half double crochet into the next. Again work 1 half double crochet into the next chain. So in total I have worked 3 half double crochet. Now going into the next space, work 1 slip stitch. Into the next marked stitch, again repeat the same sequence. Work 1 single crochet followed by 5 chains. Skip the first 2 chains from the hook and into the next 3 chains work 1 half double crochet each. And slip stitch into the first single crochet and cut the yarn. So after working the slip stitch, I have weaved in all the loose yarns on the back side. So we almost come to the end of our applique. The last step would be to stick this eyes using hot glue over here. So here I'll stick the eye over the applique using hot glue. Now one thing that you should remember while using hot glue is that just preheat for about 15 minutes and then apply the glue over the surface which needs to be sticked. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.